Hi there, this video is live, very extreme, aggressive, train journey into heavy rainstorm, shower. Guildford weather forecast, UK, 20, I really like the video, it's a thunder, time at in digital note, it's 14:33 PM in the afternoon, or so. In Harbour, that's approximately, wow, you name it guys, probably 7 minutes or so to 3 PM in the afternoon, and it is the, you name it guys, Wednesday, 12th of July, 2023.
Next station is Guildford. Change here for Red Hill, London, Gatwick Airport, Reading, Epsom and Ascot via Aldershot and Camberley.
So we're heavy shower later on around here at Guildford in the next 15-20 odd minutes time. Weather forecast at Guildford. Pretty extreme. I hope you like this video. Please thumbs up. Subscribe to see my channels on AJMs. Or speak with you always. That's been pretty aggressive. Had to thundery shower clouds over Guildford right now. Ooh, joke. Subscribe to my channels on AJMs. This is my friend Sparkling Jimbo on ITF5P. So Hills Racing Show, Friday 3 to 5 PM local. In digital at 100, Southern Hill, ITF5P. So Hills Racing Show, this is the Lower Show. Sunday at 9 AM to 12 PM live John Matt and the Wake Racing Show on Lower Show every Sunday. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to my channels on AJMs. Of course, you're always going to spot the needs and many outweigh the needs. Let's get really check it out. Heavy showery rain over Guildford in the next 30 or 15 minutes time. Watching, bye.